80s classic at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1984 Pontiac Parisienne four-door sedan. And listen to this. Original mile car at 2,313 on the odometer right now. History behind it, it was purchased by a couple, a little older couple in Illinois. Husband did the driving, wife did not drive. Shortly after purchasing this car and obviously being driven very little, unfortunately the husband passed away, wife did not drive. So the family kept it serviced regularly and ready to drive if it needed to be. Went from there to an owner in Wisconsin where he took loving care of it. Obviously drove it very little, but would get it out some for car shows, some on cruises. So that's your history behind the car and the low miles. It will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see the paint shows well. Where I've seen it is original paint around it. I believe this would have been called frost beige or cream in the Pontiac world as far as paint colors go. Underneath the hood, 5-liter, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let me tell you a little bit about what's been serviced on this recently also. The tires were installed in 2021. The tranny was serviced as well as the gasket changed. Fluid, of course. That was in 2021 also. Rear shocks were replaced in 2021 as well as the brakes serviced as far as fluid. Now you can see riding in wheel covers. So steel wheels underneath there. Again, the white wall radials that were replaced. Interior is brown in color. We'll get around to the driver's side so you can see that. The carpeting in the interior, look at the dash. It looks like brand new. Of course, the brown vinyl top. I do want to point out a spot where the filler panel, just due to age, they will start to deteriorate some. There's a spot where you can see that it has. We have had a couple things in the trunk that have given a couple outies down here, something that is also kind of common on this body style. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear chrome. And then the filler panel on this side also. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Another thing I want to mention, third-party inspectors. We have an open door policy. You want somebody else to come take a look at this car? Not a problem. Maybe you can't make it yourself due to time, distance. Open door policy for those guys. Try to represent these as fairly as we can with the history that we know of. All the pictures that are taken, still pictures, walk around video, and of course, the driving video of this car. You're going to get an idea what it's like to ride in it, you know, a bird's eye view. Let's look at the rear seats. Rusty Jones would be a would be a rust inhibitor that would have been sprayed in it when new. And that is why you see it's like that plug right there, and they spray the inside. I'll show you some on the front doors also. I would assume that they're there also. Take a look at that interior. It is literally like new. When you see the different colors here, that's just the nap of the fabric and kind of which way it's laying. Headliner, looks like good shape. Door panels, I mean, literally just showing no signs of wear on the armrests. Again, the seating surface, like new. There's just really no wear at all, what you'd expect for the kind of miles this has. And there it is, 2313 4/10. They did install, the last owner did actually install the water temp gauge, so they had it. Peace of mind.
Carrying himself as a bigger
AM radio working as it should. And again, wipers do work. Take a look at this. How about even the quartz clock? Dash is incredible. When you're used to seeing these that have sat outside, some are aged as like new. Slip around to the back. Remember, 5 liter underneath the hood. V8. Let me slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out this engine bay. Don't forget to look at those still pictures too, and look at the underside of this car. Underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy also, and look at this engine bay. And just no corrosion, rust. Very original looking. Of course, nicely equipped. Power steering, brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. There is a battery disconnect here. If you're going to disconnect the battery for storage or in between drives, the AC Delco battery even replacement. Looks like AC has also been converted to R134A. Looking for a nice cruiser, here you go. And remember, it's going to come with that 500-mile warranty protection plan. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can do that by calling 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
The air conditioning is blowing cool air in this vehicle. It is an automatic on the call. Very low mile vehicle based on the odometer on the dash, reading 2,311 miles currently. Good acceleration from this vehicle. Our fuel gauge is reading a little over half. The rest of it is warning lights other than the speedometer, which is working perfectly. AM radio down here.
I mean, of course they know exactly what they're doing.
Also working well. Our temperature approaching 190, which is about right for this vintage and engine. Very comfortable cloth split bench seats. Based on the steering wheel and the pedals, it does look like a very low mile vehicle and feels like it. Brakes working excellent. Looking at the headliner and door panels and carpet, it all looks very, very nice. This car corners well. Kick down working great in the transmission. If I let go of the steering wheel while we're driving, maybe a slight list to the right. That could be tire pressure. Very smooth ride. This era, most cars rode like a luxury mobile if they were larger, and this one is no exception. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.